Welcome to the VitaLife Show. I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, and today's topic, we had a question here on the VitaLife Show as to how to treat eczema and psoriasis naturally, and does detox really work? Well, the answer is absolutely yes, and that's why I'm answering it here in this video. Make sure you stay tuned right to the end of the video and click subscribe so that you always get our newest and latest uploads here on the VitaLife Show on YouTube. So first and foremost, when treating eczema and psoriasis and skin rashes in general, we want to take a look at the diet. So decreasing things like having too much dairy products and sugars, unfortunately, these feed some of those bad organisms and is really a telltale sign, especially if you crave some of these foods, that it's a problem, especially starting in the digestive tract, and this translates out into the skin and into the blood as well. So decreasing, minimizing, and when I did this with my patients over the years, over and over again, especially in young children, as soon as we limit, I'm not saying stop entirely, but as soon as we limit the dairy and the sugars in the diet, it really does dramatically improve the eczema condition and the skin rashes. So try that, if you haven't yet already. I really encourage you to do that. And now you may ask again about detoxification. Does it work? There's so many things out there about detoxification. Well, the key is doing the right type of detox. Comprehensive detox for getting at all of those toxins in all of the internal organs at once, doing it effectively, safely, and so that you actually see the results. It helps to clarify the skin as well, and that's why it's so remarkable at getting at all of those toxins and those free radicals that affect the eczema and the psoriasis and those skin rashes. Also, taking enough essential fatty acids is really important, so getting it in the diet, so whether it's nuts and seeds is really important. Having high quality fats, things like coconut oil, is great as well, but also to take a high quality supplement that's higher in the DHA than the EPA. Another thing that's important is to kill the bugs. So, whether it's Candida, parasites, all these negative organisms, bacteria, that can be a problem. It starts usually in the gut, but then it translates out into the skin, can have a dramatic effect on, the eczema, the psoriasis, and the rashes. So doing some type of parasite or Candida cleanse is really important, especially if you've tried everything else, whether it's conventional or not, and you're not getting the results and you still have those persistent rashes. Really important to take a look at that. So please leave your questions and comments below. I welcome them all, and I do get back to everybody. Click subscribe so you get our newest and latest uploads here on the VitaLife Show. Be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter at VitaTree. And remember that your health is in your hands. You have the ability to live a really healthy, vital life. Check out our other videos too here on the VitaLife Show on YouTube. So if you click up here, you'll learn more about detoxification, why it's so important to do it in the right way, as well as here, our facial exercises, which are super popular here on YouTube. You'll absolutely love them. And down here are probiotics, why it's important not only just to kill those bad guys that are in there, but also to re-inoculate with the right type of probiotics. So you'll learn all about that down here in this video. Thanks for joining me today.